So today we are going to teach you while loop. So we are going to make our program continually repeat continually until the user wants to stop. There are three types of the way to continue your program. We're going to teach the first way is called while loop. Another name is called pre-test loop. For this condition is one input. If you only see one input, you want to choose this one. It's called while loop, and you basically will have only one input. In this type of the loop, you usually need to read your input two times. The first time is called primary read, and that is usually appear before the loop, used to set up the loop with initial value entered by the user. The second one is update read, is appear within the loop, but is the last two statements. Allow user to enter new value at each iteration of the loop. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. How do we do it? Is that okay? So this program, there's age, enter your age, seeing age, and you are how many years old. For this one, clearly is only one input. Is that right? Only one input. The input is age. So I will decide to use while loop. All right. So let me run this program with you without loop before. This program we all know before. Let me what. All right. So I'm going to pretend I'm Victor Cao. Is that okay? I'm going to pretend I'm Victor. So right here you have say, hey, enter your age, 20. All right, so you are 20 years old. So this one cannot repeat. If you want to do Charlton's age, you have to start one more time. Now this is Charlton right now, 18. All right, so Charlton is 18 years old. So this program cannot repeat, and that will not be serve as a good application. Application supposed to be on and on, on and on. I am going to introduce you the first way to continue the program. Now I have only one. If I have only one here, then I'm going to do this. First, I'm going to decide what number I put can stop this program. I usually pick a number which is most likely will not the input. For example, nobody will put your age is -1. Then we call that sentinel, special number to stop the program. Okay, so let me show you right now. So first, enter your age. Then I will do like this. Okay, enter -1 to stop. So I'm going to do like this. After that, I'm going to copy these two lines here, Control C. All right. Then after first read, now I put them as a first read, and I'm going to put while, and I'm going to tap over. Is that okay? I tap over. Then this is age, okay, not equal to -1, your sentinel. Then I put this is called secondary inside the while loop, but that's a last statement. And original process, I want to print it out here. I'm going to put the before this secondary. So this is your first read, this is your second read, and that's your sentinel. Your sentinel is usually a number, most likely will not be the input. Now we can get repetition right now. Let me show you right now. So I still build them. And then I am going to start without debugging. Run this. And this time it will say enter age, enter -1. So it's a hint, tell you -1 to stop. So I'm Victor, 20. Alright, so I'm Charlton, 18. Alright, so I'm Victor's niece, whatever, 10. Alright, so continue. But I put -1, the program will stop. Alright, so this is called while loop. While loop. And it's also called pretest loop. The most important thing is you need to have a sentinel. You need to have to read. So the sentinel is the number most likely will not be your input. The to read was your original read input. You put it 2 times. First is before the while loop, and second time is inside the while loop. Alright, so this is your while loop.